Earth a go shake and earth a go quake. And who asleep have to go wake.
Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Yeah, people, you feel it? You feel it? Oh my word, me I tell you, me there in the office. And they are going easy and move around in the morning and make a cup of coffee. And I tell you, when the coffee done make and me done mix, I'm go stand and hold it for make a sip. Now, Mr. Earthquake that. Earthquake, I wish me have a video for showing the people. Me have to bob and weave and a skip. Hot coffee a spill a dash all about. You see it? Yeah, people. So prior to, you know what I mean, the information when me get is a 4.5. No, 4.7. Yeah, man. 4.7 earthquake in the morning, people, approximately. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. 2 miles from above rocks. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Over one place, over one part in a little island, you shake down, you know. Yesterday, like a rainfall and thing, and the place hot. The place a burn up. The summer around here, no normal. So, earth a go shake and earth a go quake. And who asleep have to go wake. You know what I mean? Yeah, I swear. Who feel it? Who feel it knows it. Yeah, man. I'm not talking about knows the way you pick out the flowers. Knows it. You see me I say? Yeah, people, 4.7 earthquake. Give thanks and praise. Everybody who survive it, because I know some people right now, the news them so come out. Who for components set drop off, who for TV drop off, who did have them fridge with something panic, the sugar drop off, salt drop off. Little figure them mash up. You see me I say, yeah, that little piece of old shop they tear down, that piece of wire they bust off. A whole heap of sitting so forward out, man. Yeah, go see what I go on, people. Remember, you know, dancehall reggae vibes were there for bring you the energy. You see me I say, I'm talk about every anything related to. Yeah, earthquake, earth shake, a dancehall. Remember, me tell you, Jamaica culture, Jamaica it a go on around here. You see me? Big up to everybody who survived that little something here. I want to say little, you never little at all. But give thanks. You know what I mean? Because when them natural something happen, them natural type of earthly events, yeah man, more time it left people in a desperation. Match up some things and some place around, so you see it? Yes, I. So, people remember that $50 something they are going on, you know, merch, credit and beer things. Remember to subscribe, check the description because so you're going to know how you're going to win that $50 something here. That $50 USD, I'm not talking about Jamaican, you can get credit. Just imagine $50 US worth of credit on your phone. You can sell credit. Flow, you can sell credit and double up. You know what I mean? Merch to all the people in overseas, merch to the people in your yard. Remember, you know, check the description, people. You have a WhatsApp group, something I go on to jump over in there. Dancehall reggae vibes, I give you merch over here, say, you know. Yeah, man, you can win your merch, you can win phone credit, events ticket, WhatsApp text us at. You don't know area code 876-576-4827. You can win merch, remember, you know, phone card and event ticket. I'm playing the dinner for two, with me in the booth. It's you. Hey, man, I used to date this. Yeah, people, so right now, I give you $10. Yeah, right now. So, trivia. Dancehall artist, Armani. You can tell me which high school him go? Which high school he attended? Which high school did he went to? Yeah, people, so $10 up for grabs.